Jai Shri Ram. We pray to the God for your happy and healthy life. Astrology is an integral part of our life. It gives us the information regarding past, present, and future. Not just our life, whatever happened in the cosmos, in the atmosphere, all around the world, and the day and night happens. It all's astrology. Indian Vedic astrology is the backbone of all the astrological developments happened throughout the world. Maharishi Prashar, Maharishi Bhrigu, and Acharya Brahmahir, they are the pillars of Vedic astrology. If you deeply understand them, they all have given the main emphasis to the timing of the event in native's life. Because astrology is only useful when it gives the information regarding the events coming in native's life with the detailed situation and timing. Then only anyone can manage and deal with the situation coming in their life. When we give consultation, we work very hard to know about the timing in the event coming in native's life. And we are very transparent in terms of education and information to the natives because we believe that until unless the person know what is coming in his and her life, it will not be possible for them to manage it the way it comes. Because a informed person can only take the timely remedies and deal with the situation. We provide prediction for the 5 year and we provide a detailed prediction where each day is considered separately as a Mahurat, keeping in mind that any day, any moment can be an important moment or important day for our native's life. You can contact us for all kind of consultation because we work in possibly all kind of areas which are important in your life, whether it is education, health, marriage, job, business, or maybe any other area where you want consultation, you can contact us. From tomorrow onwards, through all social media platforms, we will be coming to you between 10:30 to 11:30 in the morning. This time, our consultation will be in Hindi, and from 8:30 to 9:30 in the evening, that time our consultation will be in English because some of our natives are outside India and they are more comfortable in English. So, keeping that in mind, we have kept two time coming into the social media and discussing about the horoscopes of the people who are associated with us. In that, we will be discussing all the elements which are blocking your growth, making your life difficult. What we have seen that most of the people in social media are interested in discussing and analyzing the horoscope of few politicians, few businessmen, people from sports. But we are not interested in doing the same. We will be coming twice a day, and each time we will be analyzing your scope, informing you about the developments going to happen in your life in the forthcoming period so that you can take appropriate action to avoid them and take advantage for the growth of your life because we believe that 95% of the people have same kind of life, have same kind of situation which they have to deal, and more or less same kind of problems. Therefore, we are not interested in discussing the horoscope of few successful people. We will be discussing and analyzing your horoscope because we are committed to make impact in your life. We are committed to improve your life. So contact us, provide us your detail so that we can provide you the remedies and the information. Today is the day of Deepavali. I wish you Shubh Deepavali. Enjoy this with your family and friends. This is the day of lights. This is the day of sweets and crackers. And this is the day of change. I pray to the Bappa and Ma Lakshmi to give you blessings with lots of wealth and happiness and fulfill all your desires, which makes your life happy, which makes you content. We believe the life is a partnership between Karta and Karak. Without the willingness of the Karak, no Karta can do anything. So we pray to the Supreme Karak, Parampita Paramatma, to bless you a happy life. Thank you. Best of luck.